Welcome back to Designer's Den here at American Furniture Warehouse. So, are you trying to create a great living space, but you're on a budget?
So, Doug, I like nice things.
Right.
And no matter what your budget is, everybody likes nice things, right?
Sure.
So in today's video, this is really exciting because we're going to show 3 different budgets and what you can do with that budget here at AFW. And we offer such great values.
We really honestly do, and you can get so many different looks and still maintain that sense of style that everybody really wants.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. So let's kick it off with this budget number 1. And here we're looking about, my budget was about $1,000, right?
Yep.
We can get all of these things. Let's kick it off with the sofa, Ashley.
So this is a nice gray sofa, really clean lines, and it's very versatile. It's easy to work with. You can add your own style and your own spin on it.
Great.
Like we've added a couple additional accent pillows, which bring in some texture and coordinate really well with the rug.
Really nicely.
And then also the chair. So instead of going with the matching love seat or chair because of that $1,000 budget, we went with a accent tub chair, which also works very nicely.
Super neutral, but adds that extra seat. So we really have seating for 4 here.
Yes.
Which is great.
Yep, definitely.
But you could also take a nap if you wanted to.
Yep. And then 3-pack tables. So 3-pack meaning you buy the coffee table and the 2 end tables for one price.
Which is a fantastic value.
It is. So that's what we have here is a 3-pack occasional set.
Yeah. And I love that we framed the space, you know, even at $1,000 budget, we wanted to create a conversation with the 8x10 rug. Great texture, great color, and we're really able to pull the whole look together. You know, like you said, you're tying in those pillows. Mm-hmm. If, you know, here's a tip for you. If you don't have room for 3 tables, use your extra end table in another space.
Right.
You know, maybe as a night table in a bedroom.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
Yeah.
So next up is our next tier, which I believe is $1,500.
Yeah.
So let's see what you can do with that additional $500.
Great.
So here we are in our $1,500 budget, and it seems like the additional $500 really brought us some more accessories.
Yeah, it's really nice because it adds some more color and texture. We took the rug colors and the pillow colors right up onto the wall with a really nice piece of art. We've added a pair of table lamps for your lighting.
Yep. And then an additional tub chair.
Yeah.
And I really like how it balances out the room.
Yeah.
So we have 2 tub chairs on either side, 2 table lamps. And I also like the ladder behind this chair. It's a great way to hang your throw when you're not using it in a nice presentation.
Adds a little height, a
Yeah.
little bit of character to the room. You know, and you can select pieces that really reflect you as you're going through this stage. Mm-hmm. I think of it as the next phase of your accessories.
Yeah, good point.
And it's really nicely done.
It is. So I'm excited to see the next tier, which is a $3,000 budget.
Yeah.
So I'm really impressed with what $3,000 can get you in this room.
It's just a transformation. I mean, talk about a way to really create a beautiful space at a really budget-friendly, in a budget-friendly way. All right, so what's different? What have we added?
So we've replaced the sofa with a leather sofa.
That's beautiful too.
It is, and we stuck within the same color tone, so that grayish blue. So it still works with everything else that we started with.
Love it. And I like that, you know, pillows on a leather sofa really help warm it up. So
it does.
We've done the same thing with these pillows. All right, we've got some accents, some more accents. We've got some more tabletop. I love that we've got cute little accent, 2-piece accent table with a pair of chairs. So we have ample seating, but really has some real style, I think.
It does, and we've created like its own separate conversation area right here just by adding those 2 nesting tables.
Yeah. You know, I think one of the things I love about American Furniture Warehouse is that, you know, our everyday low prices. I mean, let's say I can't do all of it today. I can come back in a month and still get great pricing.
Right, and that's the thing. When you're in your space, sometimes it takes time to figure out what works and what doesn't, what feels good to you. So like you said, you can get started, but then always come back and just build upon your room.
Yeah. We added another big piece over here.
We did.
God, I love it.
I love it too. It makes this space so cozy. And I really love the fact that we've offset the TV.
Yeah.
Which you can do. It's thinking outside the box because it gives room to do the accessory moment on the left.
And our woods really complement one another.
They do. So they're not a part of the same collection, but the wood tones, they just flow.
We've selected it, you know, and you can come in today and take it home.
Take it home today.
Yeah. What a another great advantage to what we do here at American Furniture Warehouse.
Absolutely. So we want to know from our viewers what budget works best for you right now. The $1,000, the $1,500, or the $3,000.
Yeah. The great news is, you know, at American Furniture Warehouse, we have the budget products for you.
Yes.
Well, it's been really fun.
I know this has been fun. I've enjoyed every single tier that we've seen.
Well, you know, everything you see here and so much more you can see at American Furniture Warehouse or AFW.com. And join us again for the next Designer's Den.
See ya.